This man paints with a typewriter. Yes, he painted this, this, and this only with a typewriter.
Hello, I'm Gurumurthy. I make art on typewriter.
Murthy was a banker by profession and an artist by passion. As a banker, he had to use typewriters a lot. Well, here is the plot twist. One fine day, he thought,
Why don't I use typewriter for making artwork?
and guess what? It worked. He started typing, typing, and typing. Slowly, the letters and numbers started to look like faces, and he created his first picture. But you know what? You can't backspace or erase on a typewriter. A tiny mistake means he'll have to start all over again. But that didn't stop him. He created all of these paintings. In fact, he even retired from his banking profession to be a full-time typewriter artist. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and Mr. Murthy took this quote seriously. I mean, quite literally.